Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And once again, I am blessed to have been asked to join in a collab by Evelina at Evergreen Arts and Pat from Patdoodles. If you don't know their channels, I will of course have links below. Take a peek. Evelina does unboxings of the most incredible dolls. Oh, if you like fantasy dolls, you will love her channel. Here's the thing I don't understand. I don't get why she buys them, because she creates the most beautiful, stunning fantasy art dolls. She is fantastic at her face-ups and her arts and her molds. Unreal. You will like her channel. Patdoodles and I have a lot in common. Pat from Patdoodles. She and I have been recycling, pre-cycling, and upcycling since we were, well, I was her age, my kind of me. That's why she's barefoot, because I used to be barefoot at that age all the time. So that's a shout out to them. Please watch their channels. Here is what they've asked me to join in on. Evelina sent me this box. There are dolls enclosed. And what we're going to do is we are each upcycling, recycling, restoring a doll with a Halloween theme. And then on Halloween, we will each be giving a doll away, the doll that we've worked on. You will have to be a subscriber to all 3 channels. And you will also have to leave comments, not only in this video, but other videos, and then you'll be chosen through a little spin-off is how we do it on our channel. I'm not techie. Darren handles that. You've seen it. It comes up and boom, there's the name. So let's open this, and I think I got a Happy Mail too. She said she had sent me a 3rd doll. I got to keep it like this because there are addresses on here. You know me and my scissors, it gets a little iffy. I'm old, you're not gonna change my ways. Everybody tries. All right, I see hands. Let's see what we have here. Ah!
Some people might say stubborn and hard-headed, but I wouldn't.
That's pretty good. Oh, look at these. I hope you can have some fun with these. Peace, love, blessings, Evelina. Oh, that's the other thing. This woman is just full of class. She works in a animal hospital, veterinarian office. Look at these. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my goodness. Wow. What do we have here? I am going to have to look this doll up. I am not going to shove this head on until I warm it up. But that is a big old Barbie, or a Barbie type doll. I'm looking on here for markings. Wow, that's a cool doll. You know I love my 18-inch Barbies. I have the 19-inch supersized Barbies. I have the 28-inch, the 36 and the 38. And look, she has shoes, really cute shoes. I love that outfit. Okay, so these should be the dolls that we are getting ready. She said they were porcelain dolls.
Well, it's smarter. It means I won't have to pry this out of your hand for the giveaways.
Okay, here's the first one. Oh, this might be out of my wheelhouse. I don't know about restringing. We'll take a look at it. Oh, we'll have to fix her little wig. Okay, and make her an outfit. Now I think I'll have to go back and look at the email. We might be doing that with the socks. Let's see the other girl. Got it here. You find these porcelain dolls in resale shops and garage sales quite often. These are full porcelain bodies. Aren't they cute? Well, those are cute little girls. Oh my goodness, those are cute dolls. Ooh, I'm gonna learn something new because that's gonna take some restringing. But otherwise, these dolls look like they're in good shape. Let's carefully flip this over. Oh yeah, the eyes look secure. I don't see any cracks or anything. And this one's not as loose. I like this one, it's really cute. All right, so that's the challenge. Let's see how I do. So here's what I did with my two cute, I think these are adorable children porcelain dolls. And I took a sock each and I made the tops. And then I took the toe of one sock and made stockings for this one to make it look like she was wearing shoes. For the other one, I wanted something different, so I took a black sock and I made the stockings for it. I would have done a face-up, but I was absolutely out of time. I did learn a new craft. I don't know why that's a little bit loose because I did it exactly like they said. Restringing a doll is an art in itself, and I have to tell you, I have not mastered that. I did not have cord, but I used a thinner elastic, and there are hooks on each of the two arms, the two legs, and the neck. And what you do is you tie off to the first leg, take it through the doll, go through the neck, tie it. You have to pull this. From everything I researched, you pull this as tight as you can, and then we use the, what are they called? Hemostats. And I gripped it, tied it to the head, took the elastic back down, pulled it as tight as I could, put the hemostats on it, tied it off. It worked, but the legs come back out of the joint because it is so tight. But I think the thing is with the elastic over time, it will relax. And so rather than having it loose later, you have it tight when you first do the doll. Now we're going to have a drawing. And if you would like to receive one or both of these dolls, if you would please leave blonde or brunette in the comments, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for including me, Evelina and Pat. I cannot wait to see what you have done with your little porcelain dolls. Please go by their channels and take a look. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.